Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Ashley, and I hope you're having a great day today. Today's the morning, like literally right now. It's Wednesday. Is it? It's Wednesday, and for today's video, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video of a phone. Like the same thing as my other phone that was like maybe 2 years or 1 year, 1 year. Samsung S21. Now, wala pa ako na-upload, guys. The only one that I uploaded, guys, was the Samsung Galaxy 10. The 21 Samsung one, guys, is like haven't been like edited yet, so yeah, you might need to wait for that one. So yeah. And now I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of an iPhone. Yeah, iPhone 13. I didn't say it. An iPhone 13, guys. A color blue, which is my favorite color too. As you already know, guys, my other video was about my mom and dad surprising me with this iPhone for an early birthday gift. Sorry for my brother, guys. Just ignore him. And yeah, let's get started, guys. Because I'm so excited. So I'm gonna unbox this and see what's inside and what's like maybe the shape of it, how it feels. So yeah, let's get started. I'm opening it, guys. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Do you see it, guys? Okay. This is actually the first time I have ever held a new phone that is an iPhone. Because usually my phone is like Samsung's. Yeah. Look at that. Wow. Do you know what I like about this, guys? Is it's blue. Even though it's like it's not really my favorite color, which is like literally purple, I still like it. I literally love it. Look at that, it's so shiny. You can like literally see my fingerprint. And I heard about this, guys, that the camera is like literally, it captures perfect angles. Maybe, not angles, maybe. Just like when you take a picture of something, it's like, it's not blurry or anything. Or even like take a video, it's cinematic. Like it just blows. Like it's not shaky. It's not blurry. That is like it takes a moment. Like you have to focus your phone. But this phone is amazing to like the camera rolls and stuff like that. Like it's so thin. Look at that. And the volume. The turn in and turn off button. So smooth also too. Later on, guys, I'm gonna set this thing up and put like a new phone case and stuff like that, but let's see what's other things inside of this box. Okay, I see a sticker that has like a apple that you can just put it in your phone, but I should not do it. I would not do it though. I don't like doing that thing. I don't want to damage my like phone with stickers stuff. I might put this thing in my computer though. So yeah. Okay. What is this? Oh, it's this type of thing. It's like a pocket, like this, guys. It's like a bag. You open it, or like more like an envelope. What's inside of this? Maybe this is a sort of a manual, guys. Yeah. Cute siya, guys. And kanina is na pagtusok sa kilid, guys. Para sa pag-open. Oh, a pin. A pin, guys. Mommy said it's like a pin. It's like you can use it to maybe you can change your something like a memory card, something like that. Yeah. And let's see. Oh, this is the last thing, guys. I see a charger. A charger for my phone, except it doesn't have a bar adapter. That's what you call them. a more fancy word, adapter. Get your charger. Ah! Get your charger, guys. Ay, ka-different siya guys ay. Hindi siya kanalaga itong normal na plug sa butang sa bar. Kon siya, different siya. Oh, a Type-C. Confusing sa mga. It's just like in this world na guys, there's different na invention na. Yeah. So not kon yet. So guys, I'm gonna cut the camera in a minute so I can like what's that? Set up my phone and like turn it on and then put my password and like install apps. Yeah. So yeah, see you guys in a minute. So guys, now that I've set up my phone, I'm gonna show you what's inside of my phone. So this is my lock screen. It's basically both of my lock screen and my other thing. It's me and my. That is just the guys. Literally, since I like started like opening turning this thing on, it's like a short notice thing that it will like. If you don't touch the like the touch screen, it will literally turn off immediately. So technically, your bar, your what's that percentage of your phone will literally go down. So yeah. So yeah, this is my wallpaper. It's me and my brother Eugene. I'm wearing the Stitch one PJ and him just wearing a casual clothes. Just staring out of the nature thing. So yeah, let's open it. I'm gonna open this today so I can just show you the apps. Shashin. Okay, so when you open this, guys, you will see this. Just normal apps. Basta guys, like there's like the calendar, photos, camera, settings, app store, yeah, or other things that has already been installed. Yeah, on your phone. And then the next thing that like I swiped is this, just plain old apps that I don't really need to talk about to you guys. But except for the bottom, guys. Except for the bottom. This is my social medias, my Snapchat, TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. And I'm gonna say, guys, right now, my Samsung S21. My mom actually has it because and she's the one that is like, what's that? Controller of the Facebook, and also my YouTube, guys. Except also I can like. Literally look at you guys, look at your comments and how you reacted to my videos and stuff, so I can still see what you guys are saying. So my voice there. Okay, so and also guys, follow my social medias, please. Follow my social medias and I'll follow you back. And then the next thing that I swipe into is this page, the last page. This is where my games are, and also all my other social medias, which is like Facebook, Pinterest, Spotify, Messenger, stuff like that. While in the bottom is like where the games are. I have games of Zuba, Like a Dino, Critical Strike, Subway Surf, Bubble Witch 3, and a Tiny Cook. This is the game I have always played my other gadget. This is the games, guys, that I always play in my other gadgets. That's why I install it in my new phone. So yeah, and that's it, guys. But next time that you swipe, guys, this thing will appear. That one. It's like in boxes. Just like you can just scroll and find. Like all the apps is inside of that boxes. So you don't have to like literally swipe. You just literally do that and just scroll down. So yeah, that's it. That's inside of my phone, guys. And I think you guys noticed that I have put it in airplane mode. Because technically, no messenger would like interrupt the thing that I'm trying to show you guys. So yeah. Oh my god. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. My new iPhone 13. See? I really love it. Specifically because the phone case is also blue, guys, and it matches my phone color. I love it so much. And thanks to my parents for buying me this iPhone 13, guys. Specifically, my birthday is close, so they wanted to buy this for me as an early gift, early birthday gift.